Hey everyone, we are just pulling into Deep River here, and we are traveling to my mother's house, which is in the Ottawa Valley, a little place called Cobden, Ontario. So we're actually going to stop in Deep River for gas and a little bite to eat, and then we'll be on our way. So another thing we're going to do today is go out to this place called Whitewater Rafting and see how busy it is, and maybe we'll get some rapids and some nice scenery in. So stay tuned, everybody. Alrighty, this is this little small town called Foresters Falls, and there's probably a population of like 300 in this town, and it's also just a left-hand turn over going through this small town, and it brings you into Whitewater Rafting. So just because I like showing small towns on my channel here.
Some of them already work for Ralph Miller.
Show you this town a little bit here, and there's a church. Lots of little houses close to the street. And that was a gas station, but not anymore. I guess you can't get gas in this town. So nice old house right here. Yeah, so that's pretty well the end of the town. So we're just going to turn off to Whitewater Rafting right here, and we'll see you in a bit, everybody. All right, this is the rough road into Whitewater Rafting here, and we're going to actually stop for lunch here, but I'll show you how beautiful it is in here. And I'm predicting everybody is out actually whitewater rafting at this point. Doesn't look all that busy.
They all sleep overnight right here.
Speed bump, yeah.
Speed bump.
Yeah, so this is it here.
Oh my God, you're funny.
And it's called the Riverside Brew Pub. So we're gonna go have lunch in there. Doesn't even look like it's open. But yeah, we're gonna go check this out here. Alrighty, we're about to go into this Whitewater Brewing Company. Yeah, so it's about 31 degrees Celsius here. It's August 3rd, and it's 1 p.m. So stay tuned for something good to eat. So this here is the big party room, and after you're done whitewater rafting here, you come in and watch all the videos of the 20 some rafts that go down all at pretty well the same time. But yeah, it's if anybody's ever been here before, you've probably seen yourself up on that screen. And then, like I say, this is a pretty big bar restaurant in here. Nice little outside deck with a great view here. And then also a really big restaurant in here, so stay tuned. Alrighty, I want to show you guys this beautiful view here. I want to stay away also from the music, so we'll just show you this really quickly about what a great video it is, or a great scenery it is here. So this is a big party area, nice beach also down there. And at one time they did have bungee jumping here quite a few years ago, but not anymore. So anyways, this is just a view down down the river here. So yeah, enjoy that view. Alrighty, everybody, this is Whitewater Rafting, and I'm not too sure the name of the company here, but it looks like these people had a good day so far. So they call that body surfing when you get in the rapids. Nice warm hot day. It's about 32 degrees out. Absolutely gorgeous here. It looks like they're having lots of fun down there. All right, let's watch some drone flying here.
Take off. The whole point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Alrighty, everyone. This is not quite the place where I thought I would be, but I think what I wanted to do is be up more farther the rapids, up more the rapids here. But just walking along the shoreline, seeing how beautiful it is here. All this natural beauty. And a nice little lagoon in here. Yeah, there's a little bit of rapids over there, but not much. But yeah, we'll try to hit another set of rapids here. All right. I got a place for water here. We'll see if it works. And pretty good. Yeah, nice little campsite in here. Yeah, so we'll stay tuned we'll look for another campsite or a better place where there's rapids. Alrighty, everybody, we found another set of rapids here, so I'm going to take a walk down here. Hey. Hi. Yeah, this looks pretty sweet in here. Lots of rapids here. See if I can cross this rocky spot here really carefully without getting my feet wet. All right, success. Alrighty, that does look like pretty good rapids. Yeah, so let's do some more drone flying here.
Take off.
Alrighty, everyone. I want to thank you for watching, and hopefully you enjoyed all the nice scenery here. Um, I just seen a guy go down the rapids without his kayak, so this here is pretty dangerous to be kayaking in. At least I wouldn't be doing it. So thanks again, everybody, for watching. I really appreciate it. Ciao for now.